Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Making a microscope slide involves a few careful steps. 1. Clean the slide. Ensure the glass slide is free from dust and fingerprints. 2. Apply the specimen. Using a tweezer or a brush, place your specimen on the slide. 3. Add a drop of water. If observing a living specimen, add a tiny drop of water to keep it alive. 4. Cover the specimen. Gently place a cover slip over the specimen to flatten it and spread the water evenly, minimizing air bubbles. 5. Observe. Your slide is now ready for observation under a microscope. This simple process allows for detailed examination of microscopic life.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.